We shall cover a project called Find a Doctor. In this project, doctors register themselves on our website. Patients search for them. Patients ask consultation. Doctors send replies. Files are uploaded and various data is shown. So this is the project that we are going to cover, and let's see the whole story that we are going to do. This project is covered in about 10 steps, and this is covered as we go along the course. We take a topic, study a topic, and then complete that topic in this project. So this is covered as we go. So it is slowly covered. It is a bit lengthy project also. So let me show you the solution explorer in this case. This will be the shared layout page. We will be using Bootstrap, and these are the pages for the login, register, the home page of the website, view imports, view start, everything is used professionally. The shared folders, they contain all the various partial pages. So every concept is done. Various models have been created. I will explain all these steps one by one as the course progresses. The database we use will be SQlite database, and some parts will be done with JSON as a database also. And this areas folder, it contains the respective pages of a doctor, the pages relevant to a doctor, and similarly the pages relevant to a patient are shown in the pages folder of the patient. This is a pretty lengthy project, and now let me run you through let me run this project so that we can explain how it is going to work. This is the home page that opens, and as I have told, we are using Bootstrap library, so it has been formatted by using the basic Bootstrap template. I haven't changed any most of the things, like everything is as usual. I have only added a login page, and on this login page also some data has already been added so that you can test this project. For example, test doctor login and password, and 3 doctors have already been added for cardiologist, Arizona, this city, and a test patient has also been added. So let me show you the various parts. As a user comes, he might want to register on this website. As we click this register, a patient can register either as a doctor or as a patient, and since I have already seeded some data, so I will just come back to the login page and register as a patient. I will click here and register as a patient. So I will copy this because we have already seeded some data, and here in the password also the same password has to be entered, and remember me can be used. I will not use because I have to show it as a doctor also, but the whole story has been built into it. You can use remember me, cookie based authentication, authorization, everything works as it should in a professional website. Let's sign in, and as we sign in, we see the my consultations. You are logged in as this, and the consultations are shown. This is a patient who referred on this date, this doctor, the name of the doctor, his experience, fees paid, and any messages exchanged, doctor's response, all everything is actually visible to the patient in the form of my consultations. For example, let us have a look at this. Here when you click more, the user will see the details of the consultation with this doctor, patient name, fees paid, patient message. Patient can put any message he likes to explain the illness to the doctor, and he can also upload a report. A PDF file of less than 1 MB can be uploaded, and the response from the doctor will be written by the doctor, so it is not editable because doctor is able to edit this. patient is not allowed, so it is marked as read only, and this will be the doctor's response. And let's have a look at more consultations. We can have a look at this consultation, and in this case also the same story. The patient wrote pain in heart and he uploaded a report also, and he can download the report by clicking at it. A PDF file will get downloaded, so that doctor was able to examine the report. Response from the doctor. In this case, this field and this field are both read only, because the consultation is closed for editing. The doctor has finalized the consultation, and the next consultation will have to be made, and the story will start again. The patient can update his profile. He can change his name, his phone number, he can change, and these are the my consultations. And when a patient has to make a new consultation, he can search for a doctor. The doctors in his city, around his city, can be searched in this website. As I have written in this red color, some data has already been added. So let us make a search on cardiologist and the state. All this data is coming from database, either JSON or through the SQlite database. When the user makes his choices, he can click on search. Now he sees various doctors who are able to provide him consultation as cardiologists, and their fees, their addresses, everything is visible. The phone numbers are also visible, and he can now say pay fees and consult. So we have assumed that the process goes to PayPal and he makes a payment, and after this page opens, and here the same story is there. The patient can upload and talk to the doctor. So this is a complete online consultation website, and let us now go to sign out and come in as a doctor. As usual, let us go to the login page, and now we shall log in as doctor. The same user ID password, and we'll click on sign in. When we click on this sign in, we will see all the consultations to this doctor. So all the patients who have referred, like John, James, John, these are the patients who are consulting the doctor, and these dates, these are sorted by the dates on which consultations are made. The doctor can, for example, examine the problem of the patient. Download the report is not available, so nothing is available for download. But in one case, for example, in this case, a patient had uploaded, so doctor can download the report. He can see the patient's problem. Doctor cannot edit it, but he can make a consultation and make savings, save the data. And once he saves the data, the record is available in the list. And in this case also, mark as completed means the doctor is now closing the consultation. Once it is marked as completed, neither the patient nor the doctor can edit it. That means the loop is complete. Then there are other general biodata. The doctor can set his name, phone number. He can update his profile picture, and his profile picture is shown to the patient. So you can see that all common things that you will need in a typical website have been covered in this project. They have been covered rather step by step. Specialization, the doctor can pick his specialization, experience, and update. Similarly, he can put his clinic address, make updates. He can set his fees and any additional information he can do. So this is a summary of the whole project that you will be completing, but don't take it as a doctor project. This project can be customized to any service provider. Plumbers in your city, they can register on a plumber website. The process is exactly the same. Similarly, teachers can also register and students can search for the teachers. So this is a typically required website these days. So I'll close it right now. Thank you.